Wagwan people, no good. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys some stuff that I got from town at a reasonable price. But you also know that you guys can shop, you can shop cheap and get a lot of things. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. So first up on the list is this spacious garbage can. Yes, you can just put it in your room, put that plastic bag, put it in, and throw your garbage and stop put the things on the bed. Stop put things on the bed, put it in like this, and on a good. Fix the camera bed. And guys, only need to go watch my last video when this is my upgrade. I'm gonna get my light, ring light, so that's why as soon as I clear. Yeah, anyways. I bought 3 packs. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna have a video. I'm gonna have a hair video. Let me just question this in. Maybe next week or so. Then I bought these. This is for my dad. This is a car. This car something for the wheel. Yeah. It's fur. I didn't even know that it's fur for a van. And I buy 3 of them lucky bulb here. They are very bright, guys. These are very bright. Let's see if I can put in the battery and show you. Watch out. This all turn on. I buy this too. Hear it. You never turn it on, you know? So when the light gone and you're hot, you just, you know, and you can go higher. Alright. These are the battery. A pack of battery now. Hey, look here. I'm gonna do so much battery. Check out. Let's show you guys. I bought a scissors. So $100 for that scissors. Yeah. And as usual, may I dash with this. So guys, see it here. And I am not afraid to try. Can't turn it from here. It's very bright. When light gone, you're good. Here it is, guys. Three of them are back. A night light. A LED 9 watt. This is very bright, guys. Let me get this. These little pocket. Hold on. We have the little pocket. gym wear. Thick. Stop. Yes, I'm gonna show them now.
Oh, we can't wait for
the oh, we have a fix it. Why?
I was saying, you see the stuff where you have, this can go right there, so and you turn it. The one will go right there, so one will go right there.
I put it right here, so
and
like how you
the
have a clothing area. I have an area, that's my electronics, that's my clothing, and that's guys, this is
you know why
I'm excited for this.
I'm stupid. I should have bought the black and white because the shoes is black and white.
I love black and white.
No.
I want. Oh, me have it.
So you know, say you have to assemble it.
No, guys. I want to pull out and I will get now.
Look here. You want to come back.
So how me gonna do this?
It show you how to do it. It not hard. Good God, fast one.
Yeah, better do the other one first. I told the person that pink me the one.
The little monkey here, blue.
Yeah. Gorilla. Hey, yeah.
So, oh, let me put it up. Oh, I may do it wrong already.
She's smart, man. Yes, fix a man. Fix it. So much something come with it. Alright, when you finish make me, I'm gonna show you. A rocket style. Look at this tall. I wonder if it's a phone to hold it and see. No, but I cut it. No. Not even a tutorial. Them big old piece of stick here for what?
Well, I'm something there. This one longer than which one?
Oh. Imagine the other one. How am I gonna fix the other one? Lord help us.
So this to go?
No.
I wish we...
Look at this side.
For this, I feel.
Out, guys. That's all. That's sharp. Try the long one. Yeah, and see the long one them here. Okay. That after the shelf. She have sense. I wonder if the long part of his size, that will not get the one for me go. And also that upside down, man, you know, see that one upside down.
I will tell him my day. So this is the bottom.
Right. We're getting somewhere, guys. I wonder if they're not giving a part for the Migo.
But the thing is,
how it go up? Use the short one them to go up, right? No, but that. How that go so? Next one now. This is from a clothes. That size, yeah. Hold on. Alright guys, as you can see, I've done a lot of work today. I got town, I go shop, I'm a foot all day. I'm gonna come home, I have to set up them something here. I have to set them up. It's on the shoe stand. See that guys? Yeah. So right now I'm just gonna pick up my cousin from school. So see you soon. So right now I'm going to take a shower. I had a long day. I'm really tired. I just did an exam. After I came from town, I fixed up the things and I did an exam, guys. I did an exam. I hope so. God, I'm so happy because guess what, guys? You see that exam? First I did a sit it. I missed it, and then now it's a resit. I thank God that He made me get the chance to resit it, but it was just sudden. But I'm glad, I'm grateful. At least I'm gonna get a mark. So yeah, so that was the end of my video. I hope you guys got some tips from me on how to shop and what to shop for your room, because we have to nice up the room and we have to nice up ourselves. We have to treat ourselves for this Christmas because we can't live in them condition here. At first I was uncomfortable. I was so uncomfortable in my room, but when I bought these things I realized that my room feel more lighter and it feel complete. So guys, make sure you do no Christmas shopping and fix up on a room, fix up on a house and everything, so that you guys can live at peace, sleep in peace and things. So thank you all for watching. Hope you leave a good and nice sweet comment in the comment section below right now. No negativity. Alright, so take care everybody. See you guys in the next video, and remember to give me a shout out and go on my Instagram and DM me some ideas.